G'day guys, quick little update on the VS. Just a few small boring bits and pieces. We've just swapped out the starter. Let's see if we can, yeah, there's a new starter in there, she's all bolted up. Electrical's connected, all ready to go. New aerial. It's not an electric one, but the other one wouldn't move, so at least this one goes up and down, so better than what it was. Alright, so starter motor is bolted in. I've reconnected the battery, so let's kick her in the guts and see if I've done everything right. Alright, here we go. There we go, that's nice. She fired up straight away. Yeah, before it had crank over a few times before it started up, so I just bought a new second-hand one. I just ordered it online from Southport Wreckers, so I wanted to get an original one and not a bloody Chinese one, so it was only 40 bucks and free delivery, so that was good. Alright, well that's sick. Fired up straight away. Also, in a few weeks, a few more things that are coming up, so I don't know if you can see down here, but and down here. They're getting pretty hot already. Yeah, I got a bit of an exhaust leak down here, so I've got some headers to put on it. So when I go back to Maryborough, to my mate's house, yeah, we'll chuck the headers on and I'll put that new intake and stuff on that I got, well, that old one that I've cleaned up and got all spick and span, so yeah, it's a few goodies to look forward to. So yeah, I was mainly just swapping that starter over because I got another wagon at my mate's house in Maryborough there that we're going to use as a bit of a mock-up car to try and turbo one of these things. So it's running and driving car. Well, it won't start at the moment. I'm pretty sure it's a starter motor, so thought I might as well replace this car with a new starter and use the other one for the parts car, basically, that yeah, we're just going to use for mocking up and stuff like that. Bit of a bush basher, we can go thrash it around the paddock and stuff like that. So yeah, alright, good as gold. She's fired up, so I'm going to put it back together and maybe we'll go for a bit of a black. Yeah, so we just got a bit of rain. Go and see if we can see any, or see if we can find any slippery corners. Alright, cheers guys. Alright, so we just got home. Yeah, I'm going to go in and find myself a beer. Something to eat. So, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you later.